Let's talk about the differences between your plastic lens cap and the Helix base plate system. Now, yes, the plastic lens cap is free and it does come with your lens. However, as many of you know, one little bump in the wrong spot, that lens cap is coming off. And oftentimes this happens in your bag. You're shooting, you open your bag, and lo and behold, your lens has been exposed the whole time. Not good. When we were developing this system with McKinnon, he wanted to make sure that this thing was fully locked down from the moment you installed it on, quarter turn locked it, all the way through whatever trip you were going on, however rough that road was, then your camera was bumping around in your bag. This thing is not coming off until you press the tabs, rotate it, and release it. So to upgrade to the Helix system and ditch your crappy lens caps that always fall off, you're gonna wanna outfit each of your lenses with the Helix base plate. And each base plate threads onto your lens, and that's gonna stay on permanently, well, until you wanna unthread it, but it should stay on permanently. And each of those base plates includes the Defender plate, which pops on there and gives you that full lens protection. And once you get all your lenses rigged out with the Helix base plates, these will accept both the Defender plate covers as well as the Helix filter cartridges, which attach in the same exact way, magnet in, twist lock, and they're not coming off until you depress the buttons, quarter turn, and pop them off. Now the cool thing about the filters too is you don't need to take the filter cartridge off. Each filter also includes the Defender front plate and a rear plate. So when the filter's on your lens, on the base plate, you just pop that front cover right on it, and it's the same exact protection as the base plate with no filter on it. Much better. This thing's guaranteed not to come off in your camera bag. If you have any questions on how to rig out your lenses with the Helix system, shoot us an email. We'd be happy to answer them. I'm Jeff. I'll see you on the next one.